Hi, welcome to Infraready. These are a couple of our REM-PODs. We've got the traditional design with the LED on the front and the extractable antenna, and we've also got our newer, slightly more compact version because a few of you have requested an LED on the top of the unit. So same again, it's got the antenna. It's when it's in the stowed position, it's considerably shorter. So I'll just extend the antenna. So an on-off switch on the side. So if we just arm the device, and then so it's got a 10mm LED, so it's got great illumination and it's got a really high audible tone as well. When you finish using the device, you just switch off and stow the antenna. So if you'd like to view them, you can see them on our website. That's where they're available for sale. There's also our details of our social media pages. If you can share and like and subscribe to our channel, it'd be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching.